This is an updated tutorial for how to create large time signatures above the stave in MuseScore Studio. Prior to version 4.5 this was a bit of a hassle to do, but since version 4.5 MuseScore have made this so much easier. First go to Format, then Style. Then on the left-hand menu go to Clefs key and time signatures. Here in the time signatures section we have three position options: on all staves, above staves, or across staves, which is often used in film scores. For this video I'm selecting above staves, and we're given a visual example here. We're then given further options below in the Style and Size panel. We can choose more narrow numeral styles for the time signatures, and whether we want them to align centrally or to the left of each bar line. We can also adjust the scale. The default is 2 times its normal size. I'm going to reduce this slightly to 1.5. We can also adjust the gap between the numbers and vertical placement if necessary. There are also options for how to show courtesy time signatures further down the page. Remember to click OK when you're finished. If we need time signatures to appear above another stave in the score, go across to the Layout tab on the left, click Add, then System Markings. We can then left-click and drag this down the list of instruments until it is in the position we need. We can also click the cog to fine-tune which set of markings are shown or hidden above this stave in the score. And that's it! I hope you found this video useful and thank you for watching.